you ready for my ultimate burp? Okay. Oh, come on. Yeah. Hold up, here's another one. Rate, comment, thanks.